First, download a Bridgerton image from the internet. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, then insert the image and make sure it covers the entire slide. Next, insert a rectangle shape over the image. Remove the outline completely. Right-click on the rectangle and go to Format Shape. Under Shape Options, select Fill, then choose Gradient Fill. Set the gradient type to linear and use only 2 gradient stops. For the left gradient stop, choose black and set the transparency to 100%. For the right gradient stop, select black and keep the transparency at 0%. This creates a smooth, cinematic overlay effect on the image. Now, add your text on top of the slide. Insert the title Bridgerton and description text. Adjust the text position and formatting to achieve a clean, professional layout. Duplicate the slide and reposition the elements and text to prepare for morph transitions. And this is the final outcome of the presentation.